Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to see the recently deleted post on Instagram. Now if you want to see the recently deleted post on Instagram but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Instagram app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Instagram app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Instagram, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very upper taskbar. Now to see the recently deleted post on Instagram, you just need to click on the option of your profile icon at the very bottom right, and under this page you'll see various options at the very upper taskbar also. So click on the three straight lines at the very upper right, and from here you just need to click on the option of your activity. So under your activity you'll be able to see all of the things like likes, comments, tags and all of it. But below that you will be able to see the option which is recently deleted and archived. So click on the option of recently deleted, and in this page you will be able to see the deleted posts, stories, IGTV videos, reels and all of the things which you have deleted from Instagram. So that's it. That's how you can see your recently deleted post on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.